So, why a PGCE? And why the University of Southampton? Why Southampton? We're an OFSTED Outstanding provider of initial teacher education. We are a Russell Group university, meaning we are generating the internationally renowned education research that feeds directly into our programme. And you're very employable as a student teacher from Southampton. The vast majority of our qualifying teachers secure their first teaching roles within our partnership area because schools want you if you are a Southampton graduate.
Our course is a school-based course. You are in schools for 3/4 of the amount of time, and when you come back to university, you are working with specialist tutors in the subjects that we deliver.
There are 2 main assessed placements, but we also offer something that's quite specific to us here at Southampton, which is a lattice placement. So that's an opportunity very early on in the course to explore what theory might look in practice at school. We have a focus on health and wellbeing for all of our trainees. Our primary PGCE prides itself on offering a bespoke journey. So we have one tutor that follows them all the way through their journey.
I remember when I was being at school, just those teachers that really make an impact on you. I wanted to be that for somebody else.
I was speaking to a lot of the teachers about where's the best place to go, and the first name I heard was University of Southampton.
When I got the offer from University of Southampton, I really couldn't turn it down. The scientific facilities that they have and the actual science-specific teaching arrangements here are really second to none, and both the placements that I've been at have been really welcoming. You feel like part of the team. There's not this kind of atmosphere of you're a trainee and there's the staff.
Being on placement has been really good, it's been fantastic.
Our course is 25 people. I've really enjoyed that because it's a smaller, close-knit family. You can go to anyone for any problem. Everyone just becomes friends really easily.
It's phenomenal. Not only are the lecturers and the support staff excellent, but being within a group of like-minded people who are also working towards the same goal as me is really helpful and motivating.
I had thought for many years about getting into teaching. It was always something I'd dreamed of. I looked into a few different options to train, but it was the PGCE that stood out to me because I really liked that you had that support network with the Friday being on campus. I had already been offered a role within the school that I was training at, so I think that's one of the unique things about the courses. Where you're training, that's an opportunity to network.
So if you're interested in finding out more, we'd love to hear from you. Check out our course pages online and on DFE Apply. Follow us on Instagram, UOS PGCE. We'd love to tell you more and we'd love for you to apply.